part 3. Okay, come on. Hey, let's go. Oh, what the hell? Damn kitty. It's Jerome from the trailer park. Joey, come here. Joey. Come here. Hello. How are you? Come on, bud, let's go. Joey. Joey.
Don't leave it. No.
Gee, he's not saying
He
hi.
doesn't play nice.
Okay.
No.
Joey, no.
Leave it.
This guy's like a stone when he
No,
sees
you-
other dogs.
Make friends well.
Okay, have a nice day. Joey, stop. Joey, let's go. Joey, come on. We're going this way. Come on, bud. Joey, come on. Come on. Joey. Joey. Joey, come on. Joey. Come on. Let's go. Come on, you big sill. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Joey. Joey. Okay. Okay, come on, this way. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Hi, how's it going? Nice garden. Oh, he's gonna come say hi.
Hey, you want to say hi? Yes? Okay.
Oh.
You're going to get lost in that jungle.
Oh.
You're so cute. Yes, you are cute. Oh.
He helps my neighbor dig her garden.
Oh yeah, I
he'll
bet.
he'll dig those red ants out and those weeds and stuff for her.
Yeah, and then voles, those heats, any creatures.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what he digs out, and she
Yeah.
says, "Good dog."
yeah, yeah. Because my friend, she's got 2 dogs, and they get here, underground,
No
and
way.
they be digging like crazy, and they just eats them.
Yeah, he was eating them. Yeah.
I know.
Wow.
Voles. Not this is looks like mouse, but they have a short tail.
Oh.
And they live underground and they eat all the roots.
Oh.
Yeah, so they're
Wow.
very bad. Like they would eat your potatoes, and then because she's got them in a garden, and they would just eat underground root vegetables.
Oh, really?
Beets. Yeah, you think you have beets and there's nothing left in the ground. So those dogs are good.
Oh,
As long
wow.
as he doesn't get sick.
Eating the voles.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a
Ro-
organic food.
Oh.
It's probably better than a dog food. Yeah,
That's
because
true.
They eat good stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
Where is he?
He's just over here.
Okay.
Oh, there he goes.
Digging.
He's digging.
Digging. Oh, good, because I want to plant something there. Look at him. Is it he or she?
He's only 8 months.
Oh, look at how much he dug.
Oh, sorry about that.
Oh, good. He's gonna be dirty now. Dirty paws, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, this is cute dog too.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Look at, you got some nice dogs.
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.
They got lots of energy.
This guy does, he's 2, he's 10, so the golden's, yeah.
Oh.
For this nonsense, yeah. I know them.
Those are yours, or are you walking there?
They're mine, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
wow.
Oh, yeah.
See, my daughter is supposed to have a dog like that, but
Oh, yeah?
something went wrong.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
they breed.
Buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
My cousin had a
Sorry,
dog
now
like
he's like
that.
a cuddler, so
Oh,
yeah.
He likes to say hi.
Yeah. So is he
Wow.
2 months?
2 years. He's 2 years, yeah. Yeah. What is this thing?
Yeah, you too, thanks.
It'll be just like,
Yeah, no kidding.
hey, what's his name?
Joey.
Joey. Hey,
Yeah.
Joey, you've been digging in my garden? Joey, you've been digging in my garden? Oh, you're so cute. He's 8 months?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So he's basically full grown.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he is. I was at the dog park and they said that he's not going to get any longer and he looks full grown, but he might get a little fatter.
Don't feed him junk.
No, we
just-
feed him good meat and stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
But he goes and digs for voles outside my yard and stuff too.
Oh
so.
yeah, that's their nature.
Oh, yeah, I
Mhm.
figured why hold him
Yeah.
back.
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
My friend, she had and she was breeding them. They're so cute. They like when they're little babies. I mean,
Oh.
they just, yeah.